Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, due to popular demand, I'm going to take a look at the aftermarket spare wheel kit that I purchased for my Kia e-Niro. Stay with me to find out a little bit more about what I received and what it looks like. Under the boot floor, I've removed some of the foam segments supplied with the car to allow use of the wheel well in the e-Niro's body. Here I've got the Road Hero accessory bag with a drawstring donut bag for the damaged and dirty full-size wheel, whilst the spare is fitted. This allows you to put the removed wheel into the boot and not soil other items of luggage. There's a rain poncho jacket, there's also a scissor jack with winding handle, a foldable warning triangle in the red box, a pair of gloves because you know your hands are going to get filthy after changing a wheel, and a reversible flattened crosshead screwdriver. The kit also comes with a kneeling pad. Next up is the Space Saver alloy wheel itself in a branded bag. This is lighter than a steel wheel, but still a little awkward to manipulate as it kept falling back into the wheel well. There's a warning sticker reminding you of the speed limitation of the spare wheel. The bag has a pocket with wheel nuts in, which the kit recommends you use whilst the spare wheel is on. These are a bit cheap, and the RAC guy I once had change the wheel suggested not to use them but instead use the Kia originals. Whilst not pictured in my video, the kit did come with a wheel brace and a choice of a couple of socket sizes for different wheel nuts. These were also a bit cheap, so I purchased a separate wheel brace kit, which is what you see me holding here. Again, this kit came with a choice of 2 sockets. It's also of the cross type design rather than the L-shaped bar design that came with the original kit. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.